Hello, friends! In this video, we're going to talk about something really useful in C++, the break statement. You've probably seen it inside loops and switch statements, but what does it actually do? Why do programmers use it? And when should you use it in your own code? Don't worry, I'll break it all down for you in simple English. Let's get started. All right, before we understand break, let's quickly remember how a loop works. A loop runs from start to finish, going through each step one by one, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It keeps going until the condition we set is no longer true. That's the normal behavior. But what if we want to stop the loop in the middle? What if we found what we were looking for and there's no point continuing? That's exactly where the break statement comes in. Now look at this. The break statement is like a stop sign for your loop. The moment your program hits the word break, it immediately exits the loop. It doesn't matter how many iterations are left, they all get skipped. So in simple words, break tells your loop, we're done here. Get out. Pretty simple, right? Let me show you a real-life example so this really sticks. Imagine you're looking for your friend in a line of people. You check the first person, not them. Second person, not them. Third person, found them. Now, would you keep checking the rest of the line? Of course not. You stop right there. That's exactly what break does in your code. Once the goal is achieved, there's no need to keep looping. Now let's see break in action inside a for loop. Look at this code. We have a loop that's supposed to run from 1 to 10. But inside the loop, there's a condition. If I becomes equal to 5, we hit break. So the loop prints 1, 2, 3, 4, and the moment I reaches 5, the break statement kicks in and the loop stops completely. Notice that 5, 6, 7, all the way to 10, none of them get printed. The loop exits the second break is triggered. Here's the flow of how break actually works. The loop starts, checks its condition, and runs the code inside. Then, at some point, it checks, is break triggered? If yes, the loop exits right there, no questions asked. If no, the loop goes back up and continues to the next iteration. This is the simple logic behind break, and once you understand this flow, you'll be able to use it in any programming language, not just C++. The same idea works in C, Java, Python, JavaScript, and many others. Now, break isn't just for loops, it's also super important inside switch statements. Take a look at this example. We have a switch checking the value of choice. If choice is 1, it prints 1, and then break. If choice is 2, it prints 2, and then break. Now here's the interesting part. If you forget to write break, your program will keep running the next cases too, even when the match is already found. So break here acts like a clean exit, telling the program, we got our answer, no need to check the rest. Now, this is something a lot of beginners miss, so pay close attention. When you have a loop inside another loop, what we call nested loops, break only exits the loop it's directly inside. So if break is sitting inside the inner loop, it will only stop the inner loop. The outer loop will keep running like nothing happened. This is really important to remember, because if you ever need to exit both loops, you'll need a different approach. But that's a topic for another video. So where do we actually use break in real projects? Let me show you 3 common situations. First, when you're searching for something. The moment you find it, you break out of the loop. No need to waste time checking the rest. Second, when you receive invalid input or hit an error condition, break helps you exit safely. And third, inside switch statements, break is used after every case to stop the program from running into the next case by mistake. These 3 patterns will cover almost every situation you'll face as a beginner. All right, let's quickly recap. The break statement exits a loop or a switch immediately. It skips all the remaining iterations. And remember, it only exits the nearest loop, not the outer ones. That's all you need to know about break in C++. If this video helped you understand the concept, hit that like button and subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly programming tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.